I called you here today for a bit of bad news. I won't be able to see you anymore because of my obligation and the ties that you have. We've been writing every day, and since this is our last day together, I want to hold you just one more time. When we kiss and say goodbye, don't look back. I want to remember you just like this. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
This is something I hate to do.